On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin, dump, pump. Which way you say? What's going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Short week today. Will Trump taco today? You guys gotta let me know. Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, everybody? All right, let's ask the question. Put a 1 in the chat if Trump is going to taco today. Put a 2 in the chat if he's not going to taco today, and put a 3 in the chat if he's a nothing burger. We'll see. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. What's going on? Baby Otter, Tony Soprano. Hey. Amica mia, what's going on? Tony, how you doing, bro? Trump is going to taco? Or is Trump going to go, I don't know, 3, nothing burger? Jeez. This market's heavy manipulated, I'll tell you. What a choppy day yesterday. I got chopped up yesterday, down 1,500 yesterday. Jesus, my account, my poor account. Oh man, don't trade on news days. I was at 51,700. I'm at 50,200. Man, last Monday too. I did not trade well. I almost got tilted yesterday. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for not getting tilted. I wanted to tilt. The tilt, like, you know, I was edging, guys. I wanted to tilt yesterday. I was ready to smash some buttons, but I stopped myself. Okay, you see? I stepped away from the computer because it's not a good way to start the. It's not a good way to start the week. So, yeah, here we are. So, bouncing off of our golden pocket level. Very nice. Level given in advance to the Discord. Okay, you guys all had the level. Golden pocket, 786 bounce level. Balloon donkey forming right now. You guys had the sell wall as well. I mean, this thing took off like a damn rocket ship last night. Wild. This morning. Not even last night, 5 a.m. Coming into our level. I could explain it to you guys. Very simple. We have a break of the high, a retest, break, retest, and go. However, in my opinion, just coming back for these late shorts. We'll see. Nice bounce, okay? Nice bounce. We'll see where we get going today. I'm not. This is not a convincing move. This is very, very. Was there a tweet last night? Did anybody know? Was there like a news announcement or something like that? Because this is pretty aggressive. The way this thing is just shot up like that. Virtual is vertical. NASDAQ bouncing quite nicely, trying to push here. We got two gaps down below, NASDAQ and ES. They got both gaps. So it's like, typically these things do get recovered. There we go, rolling over here. I would say short was the answer right now, but coming back to retest previous highs. Whoo-wee. It's going to be a fun week, everybody. Happy end of beautiful, beautiful May. Selling May go away. Seasonality. Good fun, man. You know, it's funny the flow. Like you get like as a day trader, you see a lot of people leave for the summer. Like I see like less memberships for people, which is cool, man. You do your thing, man. Here we come into VWAP. And then you get a big pickup in the winter. It's weird. Guess it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? Roll over, roll over. And they all rolled over. And then okay. Dumping. NASDAQ pumping. ES rolling over. Bitcoin. VWAP slap. VWAP slap, VWAP slap. Pretty aggressive in the VWAP here. Not really interested. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Wow. I guess those gains weren't that great, were they? Local golden pocket 786 here. Damn, soy boy Lana. Bitcoin. Trying to hold VWAP. Oof. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Jeez. Sell a man go away. I don't know, Mel. This is sell on Tuesday morning. This is all this is. Damn, Daniel. Oh, it's a tempting. It's tempting me. Still waiting. No trade here. Considering a long. Big sell-off. Rollover for the DAC. Rollover for Solana. If we can close above here. Pushed up pretty aggressive here. Considering a long. Maybe we give it a whirl, eh? What do you think? Little quick scalp to start the day. VWAP slap. VWAP slap push. Can we push? VWAP's been okay this morning. It's got to go here, though. It's got to go here. Solana, bounce. NASDAQ bounce. 1 minute NASDAQ. Rolling over a little bit here. Not looking too strong. No trade yet. Hovering. It's a pretty cheap trade. Let's go. Let's try long. Push. Stop to entry. All right. Oof, that jumped through. Fees are expensive there. A little scalp to start the morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I think it was Monday. VWAP slap continuation up here. Pretty cheap trade here, holding VWAP. See if we can push up. Halfway up the candle, 3/4 out. Damn, that charged me. That was expensive. $200 in fees, $170 in profits. Damn, Daniel, how you doing me like that? How you doing me like that, Bitunix? I got the cheap fees too, man. I guess it's because I slid the limit order into the price action and it took it. So it probably marketed me out. What a morning. Good morning. Can we get going here? I feel like I gotta make this at least break even. No follow through here. Push. Push. Push, 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 push. It's a weird rollover though. I'm going to take off most of this here just to get break even. Kind of a weird trade. Trying to hold VWAP. We'll see if we push back here. You can take that, by the way. You're welcome to take that. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Okay, now at least we're break even. Whatever. We'll see if we go. Weird. Weird, weird, weird. Holding VWAP, looking for the pushback here. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I got feed. Man. Push. Yanambe. Asia Low's not taken. A bit sketchy trade setup. VWAP. VWAP slap and go. Holding VWAP, right? I take this trade a lot of the time, guys. So, depending on the setup. Retest the previous highs. We have a golden pocket in here as well. So, it's like double confluence, which is like, A- setup. B plus, A-. We'll see if we can push back here. After this big aggressive push, you expect halfway down the candle. And if we want to isolate that candle, we would go, half-hour candle here? Yeah. Ish. Just a little slap and go. That's all that is. A slap and go. You can see the candle here closing above VWAP twice. So that's good enough for me, man. I mean, I'm not gonna fight it. I don't think I'm gonna make much money on this trade today because I like fees and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. GG's in the chat. Do I get a GG's at least in the chat? We started the stream with a trade already, guys. Come on, GG's. I haven't even said good morning to you, damn guys, and we already taken trades. All right, what's going on? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. I didn't expect to have a trade set up already. Oh man, very cheap trade too. Cheap little wick down here. We'll see if we can push back. Good morning, Crypto Jim, Shanti, George, Batty. What's going on? Hell yeah, what's going on? Good to see you, Marine Mike. Knicks back in the finals. Yeah, I seen that. Knicks are on fire. It's gonna be who do you guys got? OKC or the Spurs, man? I think Wemby's gonna lay the smack down, especially after not getting the MVP. MR, good to see you. Proof of work, Milan. Good morning, guys. Son of the King. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning to you, Jojo. How you doing, Mojo? Jojo, Rashad, Shrian, Pandy, gang. Aaron, what's going on? Good morning, Alexander G. God bless you. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful Veterans Day, Memorial Day. God bless our veterans. Thank you guys for defending us and, you know, all that stuff. What's going on? Philly Skills Wagwan Mayut. Good morning, pre-pumpers. Identify as pre-pumping. Oh, man. What a trade to start the day off. Baby Genius, Morty, good to see you. Steve Hickey, Norms. How you guys doing? Chantel, good morning, Chantel. Django, he's about edging. Did you? I've never heard of TRB. I've never heard of it. Chantel. Melissa, one love. My 9th subscriber. Shout out to you. 200 people in here. We're already in profits for the day. Hip hip hooray. Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air in all of crypto. Steve Hickey, what's going on, E-Ro? Good morning, Smashed, Misanthropic. How you doing, gang? Good to see you, gang. Good morning, Ben. How you doing, Ben? Morning. Trace, Wayne Rossi. Trust you're well, man. I'm not bad. I'm actually quite stressed, man. If I'm being honest, you know, I have breakout prop. I got 3 or 4 people who want to collab and do jobs together, and I'm like, I can't do this. I'm not about that. Just right now, we're moving in 3 weeks, right? So we're getting the house in 3 weeks, which is a blessing, but it's effing stressful, guys. We're packing, we're getting the internet, you name it. Gas, electrical, plumbing. I got plumbers coming in. I got electricians coming in. Carpet cleaning. Fucking holy shit. I'm telling you, man. I think it's getting to me a little bit. I told my wife last night, I'm like, I can't be doing this. We're not moving again. What's going on, your bro? Ashant's good to see you, Terry. Look at all these people trading today. You got edged this whole weekend. Django, you can't let her treat you like that. Curbstar, Harpist, what's going on? Melissa, summer slowdown, yeah. This shot up of a green dildo was due to Iran. U.S. negotiations went well on aspects. Expect 24 billion frozen assets. Okay. There was a missile exchange. Oh, so they don't shake hands anymore. They just shoot each other. Bearded Mac, what's going on, man? Jason, good morning. Thank you for being here. Titan, Steve Hickey, Rudy. Alicius. Jay Van, good morning, man. How you doing, Dusty? Very good setup. Asia lows are not taken. Yeah, we'll see. GG's. Good morning, Jay Becker. Good morning, Cool Mar. Cubanadian, how you doing, man? Good to see you, bro. Hopefully that video we did yesterday helped you out. Army Piper, good morning. How you doing, one of my favorite veterans. Paul, Django, hell yeah, GG's. Bless you, Alexandra G. Bless you in your perfect weather. Yo, been too busy to trade or watch? Warren, how you doing, man? Glad to catch you live. Good to see you, man. Hopefully all is well with you, too. Nicholas, good to see you. Good morning, sir. Sir Nicholas. My mates, hey, Crypto, Jay in Beijing. What's going on, guys? Are we going to get another market open around 77.3? Oh, God, here we go. He wants another orb. Hope Spurs OKC plays dirty. OKC, I mean, what's his name? Shade Gilgis, whatever. He's the flop machine, man. You ever seen? You know why, right? Because he's Canadian. He couldn't make it in hockey because you don't flop in hockey. You take sticks in the chin. Good morning, Jay Violet. How you doing? Save the Republicans. How you doing, Steve Hickey, Dusty? I know Jay Wells. Cool, man. He's your stepdad? Curbstar, how you doing? Simeon, Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. The only requirement, we got 240 people in here. We did take the long. We have closed we've closed most of it out, guys. The fees have been extortionate this morning. I kind of front ran. I should have just stayed in it. But whatever. Up 40 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever. Quick little scalp this morning. Dip the toes, right? Typically we're, I thought we would have a little bit more money in the bank after that trade. Curbstar, Charles, good to see you. Rudy, how you doing, Adam? Wayne Roasty, does your new office have the same view? No, it does not. Unfortunately, it doesn't. But it is my own, and I can make it whatever I want. I actually have an Amazon list of all the things I want to buy for my new desk setup. I might get another desk too. I might get 2 desks. I might have like the laptop over here. I don't know. We'll see what. I can't even think about that. There's just too much else going on with the house. So it's a lot of things going on, man. What's going on, Rob from Thailand? How you doing, Crypto Rob? Good to see you, bro. Coolmar, Django, she got her fair share. Good, man. Good. I'm happy you had a good weekend. Crypto Jim, good to see you. Moving sucks hard, yeah. What about hype? What about hype? It's down for the day, 0.5% consolidation here. I gave you guys the level, $58. $58. Aerodrome looking at, we gave the long down here. Virtual's going today. AI tokens are taking off too, which is pretty cool. You can see like Render and FET and Tau. Tau looks like it's ready to go as well. A couple of AI tokens. FET looking good. Oof, look at that. Vertical, baby. Vertical. And happy days. Mr. Gulf Bank. Good to see you, man. Aaron, how you doing? Good morning. Jesse, look. OpenAI now have a coin? Of course they do. Jay Valley, Dave Digital. What's going on? You're 58 likes? We got 270 people in here and only 60 likes? Oh, man, Jesse, you just pushing it, man. You saying CME all the time now. You're going to CME your way out of the chat. Brillo, what's going on? Ben. How you doing, Wayne Roasty? Did you see the new EV from Ferrari? Shockingly bad. Bro, did you see my post? Guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I don't tweet a lot, but did you see the new Ferrari, guys? Ferrari's new electric car. Oh, man. Piece of shit car. You got a piece of shit car. Oh, man. Too good. Good morning, Marius. Good morning, Mob the Great. Good afternoon. We took a little VWAP slap this morning. Yeah, just a little one right now. We're probably gonna get stopped out for a little profit. Not a hell of a lot. It's all right. How about those Knicks? I mean, I don't watch NBA anymore. It's NBA. It's the WNBA's got more cojones than these guys nowadays. I watch hockey because it's a. If you dive in hockey, you get called out and you get punched in the face. I mean, who the hell wants to go and watch these guys play basketball when it's like they're 7 feet, these 7 foot tall men. Oh my God, my pussy. Here we go. Doesn't even touch him. Oh my God, my face. Oh. Anyways, I grew up watching Allen Iverson and Kobe, man. Nowadays, the difference is, okay, so I played a lot of basketball. Stopped out in profits there, guys. You pump fake, right? You pump fake to create space back in the day. Okay? Pump fake today versus 90s. So you pump fake to create space. They jump, then they're going that way. You can shoot the ball. Easy buckets, right? Nowadays, they pump fake to get you to jump, and then they jump into you. It's like the gayest thing I've seen in my life, right? Like it. So you're pump faking. So you're getting this guy to jump up and try to block you, right? And this guy's pump faking with the ball. It's pump fake, right? And this guy jumps, and instead of like sidestepping and banging the shot, they just like jump right into him. They're like, oh my God, this is so lame, man. It's so bad. It's so bad. It ain't. Basketball used to be cool, man. I grew up playing lots of basketball, and it's just gotten worse and worse and worse. It's still dump, bro? Yeah. We're out of the trade now. No trades. Quick little $40. We'll see what else we get. Right? Ugliest car. Multipla. Ugliest car ever. I think that's a beautiful car. Better than the Ferrari. I love baseball and hockey. I love baseball too. A lot of people can't watch baseball because they didn't play it, so they don't understand how hard it is. It's like watching Italian soccer. Exactly. They're prima donnas, man. They're just all diving. And I'm Italian, so like I get it. I'm Italian. So there you go. I can say even that's, everybody becomes a Juventus fan and they all take acting lessons. So Bitcoin VWAP slap, little pushback halfway up the candle, continuation down right now. No trade. Thank you everybody for being here. Sorry for going on an NBA rant. It's just sad to see, right? Like it's just disrespecting the game, man. You got these full-grown monster men acting like children. So what do we got? It's Tuesday. Happy long weekend. Pump and dump, really. A big, huge sweep down before market closed here. Bitcoin rallied, creating a big gap for our NASDAQ and ES. So we can see that NASDAQ has a big gap below it, okay? You can see the big gap pushing up here, trying to hold this upwards trend line pushing up. I mean, NASDAQ really doesn't give two smacks. Same with the ES here. Watching this pretty closely, looking for a gap up on the SPY to start the day today. So when we're looking at the SPY, you can see that we're trading here. Maybe we come up a little bit before heading down. We'll see. But a big gap up nonetheless. So looking to continue to push in our NASDAQ and SPY. So do we get that on Bitcoin? We'll see. We will see if this then that. Just looking for support to come in here. VWAP slap, continuation up potentially here. Took the first one. Don't want to overstay my welcome here with the VWAP slapping trades. So a little bit of patience right now. So what are we expecting on Bitcoin? Really, like it's been a gong show yesterday. I mean, I got chopped up in here yesterday. Down $1,500 yesterday. Had another bad Monday. I mean, I'm up. I made just under 20,000 last week, so I'm not complaining. Okay, I made 20K within the week. Took the account, and I showed you guys all yesterday from 31,000 to 51,700 over the past 7 days. So I've been doing really well. Minimizing my losses has been key. I had a red Monday last Monday too. So we're back at it here. We'll see if we can continue to compound and kick ass and whoop ass in this May. It's been a good May so far. So a little bit of patience right now. A little bit of patience, but really choppy yesterday. I shouldn't have really traded if I was thinking about it. Shorts were the answer. Big rollover into our golden pocket bounce level. So we go swing low to swing high. Boop. Oh, sorry. Swing low to swing high if my mouse would work properly. You can see we bounced off of our golden pocket 786 level given advanced in the Discord. And we could have to come down to here, guys, to be honest. We might need to come back a little bit lower down into this golden pocket here. We'll see. Okay, we'll be looking for liquidity sweeps here as well. I'm going to put a little bit of a horizontal there just to kind of let us know if we do come down and sweep that low. Trying to battle back, right? Really, when we're looking at this here, we have been rejected. We have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders. Remember to invert your charts. It will help you. Okay? You see? So we have a little bit of a head and shoulders here. Trying to reverse. However, there's a major level of volume in here that's holding us down, right? We can see that very clearly locally. If we go over and look at this, we can see big ass flip zone, right? We want to get on top of this volume here. This is going to be critical for us to get on top of. All right. Then we can continue up and target into this area here, right around 79,500. That would be the target if we do break out of this. I would look for us to get up to here. So if this, then that. We'll see what we get here. A lot of bullishness coming in for like the S&P and the NASDAQ. Okay, some altcoins running, FET, Render, Virtuals, Hyperliquid, you name it. They're doing their thing. So trying to push and continue here. We'll see if we do get follow through throughout the day. Right now, Bitcoin's holding VWAP. Very nice hold. Bunch of y'all got long with me already. We took a quick little stab here. We'll see if it does want to continue to push. It is Tuesday, so today we go live trading in the Discord. It should be fun. After this, we do have a sale for your first month on the Discord. $20 off your first month. Use the code VANILLA to get that sale. The best Discord in all of crypto. Giving the trades, taking the trades. Live trading, all the good stuff. Constant updates, the best Discord in all of crypto. And we do big giveaways. I think there's a $2,000 giveaway in the Discord today for Discord members, and then we do $5,000 on the live streams as well. And that's just being deposited and registered on Bitunix, and I'll put that in the chat for you guys. If you want to support the channel, please use that link, and that definitely helps me and helps support the channel. And you get lots of giveaways. We do 1,500, 2,000 on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on the live stream. So use that link, deposit, trade, get tickets, and the raffle gets pulled every 3 times a week, and you guys get free money, which is always a good thing. So support the channel by doing that. Thank you for that. For now, where are we looking to get to? Really, market cipher here looks a little bit overextended on the 4-hour. However, the 1 and the 2-hour look really good. Pushing back here, trigger wave on the 2-hour. Money flow coming back in, a little bit overextended on VWAP, but I think it can still go here. So just keeping my eye to see if the 2-hour can trump this kind of 3-hour rollover here. We do have a trigger wave trying to print here on the 3 as well and push back. Okay, so watching this inward curvature a little bit here on the 4-hour. Can we get going? I do like the higher highs and higher lows coming in on the money flow here. So this is nice curvature generally if this can have like a money flow crossover coming into tomorrow, basically. So we're watching that pretty closely. However, the thing is that we've really failed to see Bitcoin get above this neckline, really. You can see just lower highs, right? And lower highs, bulls have not been able to mitigate. Okay, maybe a local mitigation down here if we go like 1 hour or something like that. Yeah, breaking that high, right? So there's your change, but really just failing up top here. So The flip zone is real. We need to see this get above and hold and push. Okay. And we'll see if it can do that. Today, just trying to remain patient as usual, especially after having a down Monday. Just got chopped up a little bit yesterday, but we limited our losses, which is always important, right? At the end of the day, do your lost days look really bad, or are they just down for the day? You're supposed to lose as a trader. That's part of the gig. You're just not supposed to lose very poorly, right? There's a way to properly lose. Looking for pushback here. A little bit overextended to the downside. Can it continue up? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 in the chat if you are sitting on your hands like I am. Okay. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. You guys are pretty cool. And the only requirement really is to say good morning. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. Thank you for the 5. Misanthropic, what's going on? Mohit, you're a lurker, man. Say good morning. Ben Kelly, good morning. David, Stacy doesn't say good morning. How you doing, Crypto Chef? Lurker, and a couple of good mornings from you guys. Thank you guys for being here. And thank you, Randy, for the gifted memberships. God bless you. Yeah. I was once watching a baseball game in the States. A lot of hot dogs, yeah. What's going on, Rudy? Good to see you. How you doing, man? Proline. I'm Portuguese, he says. Carai. Let's go. Let's go. Pastel de natas. And the Peixe and Ronaldo. I love Portugal. I've been to Portugal. Amazing. Didn't knew you had European blood. Yeah, my no is on the channel. I'm from Sparmigione, Italy, Northern Trento. It's where my family's from. So yes, I am a WAP, which is okay. I like being Italian. Good food, polenta, spezzatino. The prosciutto at the weddings. Too many weddings, though. Too many weddings. Way too many weddings. The weather is beautiful, is it there, Jesse? Tony Soprano, Steve Hickey, good to see you. Curtis Hill, good morning. Randy. Randy's working harder than everybody in their 9 to 5s. Okay, we got a bunch of 3s in here. You guys are the handyman today. Yes, yesterday was a loss. Got me chilling. Yeah. Very choppy yesterday. I think it was a good day to sit it out, really. Free stuff. Woohoo. Steve, great weekend. Good. Jesse, good to see you. Wayne. Jesse, I'm plastering today, and it's hot. I heard it's like 35 Swallux. He's got the Swallux today, yeah. Sweaty bollocks, guys. If you know, you know. And some swass going on. You're plastering in 35 degrees in the UK, and it's probably muggy as hell, mate. I mean, there's no aircon. They call it aircon. There's no air conditioning in the UK. Typically, you got to be a posh twat to have air conditioning in the UK. My missus, her mother is in there, and she's dying too. UK does not like 30 plus weather because it's hot. They're all in their back gardens with their like kiddie pools, got their feet in. Right? Prosciutto, yeah, yummy, very yummy, man. After 6 months of trading, I'm green every single day. You should build a course and tell everybody how to do it then, man. That's Sicilian here. Watch out, hey, Southerner. Vinny, watch out. God bless you, bro. Oh, man. It's bloody hot. They don't even say the H. It's so hot. It's hot. They say it's hot, mate. Bloody hot, mate. Ella's long, might regret later. Nah, you got it, Ella. You got it. You got it. I'll push it for you. Here, let me go for a coffee. I got to go get some coffee. Here, Ella. I got you. I'll go get a coffee for Ella. You see, tell me I don't make sacrifices for my community. I will do anything for my community. Gotta play the VWAP slap. My son and my wife just got up. I'm gonna go and give them a big hug.
Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink dots, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby, push it, get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go, don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top, wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, pump it. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, pump it, hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace, stay true to the digital. Auto gang, gang, gang. Bye. Other gang, 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 let's go. Lord Arthur King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone.
I tried, Ella.
Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block,
Is it gonna push or what, Ella? What's going on? I tried to help you out.
don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing.
I got you.
The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap.
Booked every hour of the day?
Bots make the green can
Forget about that. Have a wonderful day, Randy.
VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base
Especially in the flats with the young baby. Yeah, I bet. Hopefully you guys are alright. What's going on, Terry, with the strawberries?
don't be a namby.
Don't make me tell the strawberry story again, Terry. Oh, man.
Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top.
There you go, Ella.
Push it,
I got you.
pump it.
It's going to be 82 degrees.
Give it the VWAP
Might have to get some stairs in this morning. Oof. It worked. I'm long hype. Oof. Long hype. And take the money and run. Let's go. Retest the previous highs. Continuation up. Balloon dog. Yeah, it looks good. That's one of our setups. Very nice. Very nice. Nice trade. Solana breaking momentum as well. Solana breaking momentum. Bitcoin trying to push here. One trade this morning. Took the slap. We'll see what else we get. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. It's a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, 8:46. Everybody, not a heck of a lot going on with the market for data today. However, Trump is supposed to talk or something like that. I think Trump's supposed to talk. Is that true? Do you guys know? And then Thursday is the big day. Thursday. Core, PCE, durable goods, GDP, or in Italian it's called GDP, personal income and personal spending. So we'll see. We'll see. Leading up into Thirsty Thursday, midweek reversal Wednesday. No real big data, though, coming out today. I think Trump might make a little announcement after, I think it's later on this evening. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe you guys can let me know. I get your tune stuck in my head all day. Put a 2 in the chat is a wicked earworm, yeah. Yeah, earworms are good. I get certain songs stuck in my head too. Reggae kicks ass, yeah. I think my favorite is the douche canoe or the dump song. Yeah, the douche canoe one gets stuck in my head bad, man. Bad. I gotta watch that one. That's why I don't play it that much, because it's like, what's going on, Rick? Good to see you, man. Long hype from 58. Let's go, Mike. You're in a great spot, man. We were looking down here, weren't we? The other day, my alarm didn't go off, so. Oh, soy lana. Trying to push back here. Take the money and run. Looking strong this morning. NASDAQ continuing to climb as well. So a couple of bullish things. Taking the high, though. So coming back for some liquidity here. Getting acceptance kind of into this area here. Going to watch that. Also going to watch these highs here. Higher high coming in for NASDAQ continuing to climb this morning. A little bit of a different story on the ES here. No higher high, however, looking good. Sweep down, bounce, continuation here. So expecting a gap up for the SPY today. We'll see how that kind of works its way into the charts today and whether, this is bullish or bearish. We're coming back to retest previous lows right now. This could be a potential short area here. I'm going to watch this to see how we react up into here. Solana breaking downwards momentum, trying to continue. I'd prefer Solana to come back down like this and then bounce. And then we get, maybe the VWAP comes into here as well. We'll see. We'll see, right? So far, one trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 313 people on the live stream, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. I lost $1,500 yesterday, showing the account, trading the account as usual. You guys know me. I was at 51,700 yesterday. I'm at 50,200 today. So I got chopped yesterday, which is never fun, but you know what? That's okay. It is what it is. Small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. Always small losses, right? taking the trades, showing the trades, and that's it, man. That's how we roll. It's important for us to be as transparent as possible. Okay, I identify as profitable. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Happy Tuesday and happy long weekend, May 2-4 weekend for Canadians and Americans and all that good stuff. So long weekend. We'll see what comes back. Typically goes into a little bit of a summer lull, so we'll see what we get for volume-wise and price action. But always prepared. We'll see what we get. VIX is down to 17, so the VIX is coming down for volatility, right? For volatility-wise, we can see we're getting into the slow and the shite price action area. So you got to watch out. We have slowly crept down here for the volatility index, which, you know, for me, it's just understanding this just tells me to be a bit more patient and wait for my setups and don't rush to trades, right? When price is hanging around there. That's all. You just got to be aware of that and try to execute to the best of my ability with the volatility. You know, you got to trade the market you have, not the market you want, right? That's what they say. It's very true. And you need to be able to adapt. And the VIX does help you adapt along the way, right? It does help you recognize when there's a shift in you know, volatility or sentiment or the market idea, what narratives are going off, when certain altcoins are going, you know, this is very important, right? So VWAP slap holding right now, seeing if we can push up here, getting a little bit of bullish momentum. However, what do we say? It dumped down this morning. Whenever they start to chop it slowly up, whenever they start to do this, right? To me, that's just a creation of liquidity of trapped traders, and they typically come back and then they go, right? That's typically we see this constantly for the setup for market open. Constantly do we see this, or they give everybody the big old, oh my god, I woke up and there's a big girthy green candle, only to rug these people, retrace it, and then put in higher highs and higher lows and come for the liquidity in here, right? So looking at, you know, beautiful price action here, it's very clear that, you know, price action has just failed to get above really 70. Let's call it $78,000. $78,000 is clearly sticky. And you shall not pass. Just looking at this chart, let's invert it. So inverting the chart, we can see we have bull divs, break. Bull divs, break. Sweep, bounce. Where would expectational order flow be? I would say this is a higher low, right? Go swing low to swing high, higher low, continuation this way. That's what I would say. Now let's bring our chart back. This is why everybody hates me. Expectational order flow suggests down, unfortunately. However, we haven't lost this low, so locally we're breaking down. Does this have to come all the way down here? Not necessarily. This can hold here and go back. So it's always important to invert your chart, though. You can see how your perspective changes, right? I try to do that every time I come to the chart just to kind of give myself a different sentiment, right? Because you can come to the chart and just be bullish or bearish, right? You just want to be aware-ish, right? You don't want to be bullish nor bearish. You want to be profitable, right? So you have to be objective in this market. If you're not objective, you're typically on the wrong side. A lot of people, you know, if only I just did the opposite of what I did, I'd be profitable. Well, that's exactly the difference right there, right? We had the buy level down here, but it took forever for this to kind of get going into this morning, and then of course it pops off like an absolute whatever, right? So This is a straight up Irish bear flagon, serving up that cider, that Dixon cider. So we need to be aware of that as well. Okay. Patience here. Patience, patience, patience. Mm-hmm. Alex is gonna laugh about what? Oh, we got Lunar Beaches coming through, man. The guy who, bro, what's with your internet, man? You're like Temu internet, bro. Use some Temu internet. A gentle reminder in your head to not be a douche canoe. It's not a bad thing, yeah. Just be kind. Don't be a douche canoe. That's the saying here. Good to see you, Marine Mike. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Lunar Beaches, 14 months, man. 10 memberships. Jeez. Harpist, let's go. Good morning. Dave Flowers, lurker. Squirrel, lurker. Joshua, lurker. RPM, lurker. Alex Gray, lurker. Alex Me, lurker. Jacob Crawford, lurker. Al Jr., my man, what's going on? Look at all those lurkers, man. Holy smokes. Thank you. Thank you, David. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Make sure you go and subscribe to this guy. He's handsome. He streams in the evening when he has internet. He's got like, I don't know, Wanker Gang or Anchor Gang. I'm sorry, I had to, man. Wanker Gang. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it does a lot of Elliott Wave, equal highs. Very good trader. I've known him from day one. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the support, man. I appreciate you. You don't ever want to be a transparent? Why not, Dave? Crypto Kirk. No red days. There is no stop loss, guys. Dusty, what's going on? Yeah, Bitcoin sleeping. Dave Digital, Keen Bean. What's going on, Keen Bean? I hope I gave you that. Hopefully your ticket's all answered and you're good to go. What do I think about NVIDIA or NVIDIA? Which one do you want me to look at? I bought some NVIDIA on Friday. Came back down to my trend line. Ooh-wee. NVIDIA, look at this. I bought a little bit here, 5K. Little 5K here. 5 or 3? I think it was 3K. I think that's wrong. I put 5. It's 3K. I bought 3K here. I'm trying to build like a $15,000 bag in NVIDIA. I'm looking at 200 though. 200 to 194. Hitting that key upwards trend line here. We'll see if it does want to hold. Tesla as well. Been accumulating Tesla. I bought at 350. Bought at 390. I started here, 5K, and then I averaged down. Yeah, man. I've been doing okay with the stocks. Really good with the AI stocks. I mean, Marvel, Micron, A-Lab, AMD. Done all right with these. EOS. This one, I think, is potentially a good buy. Energy, right? TSM, semiconductors. ARM Holdings, this one's done well. Oof, look at that. Who needs crypto when you're up 200% on ARM? Bought Google down at 280. Oh baby, up 42% on the Google. Yeah, man. Stocks are doing all right. Crypto's, Bitcoin's for trading. Hodl and chill, man. I still own quite a bit of Bitcoin, but that's a long-term family bags. That's the idea. Sovereignty, freedom. All right. I think CryptoFace is long right now. If you guys aren't following CryptoFace, is he long? Let me. Oh yeah, he just went live
last week. Apparently, it still works.
Oh yeah, he's up 71 G's
today.
God bless you, homie. Let's fucking go. He's just slaying hype. Like it owes him money.
So we're gonna give it
And
away.
he's got like a hot chick on the screen, man. Way better looking than I am. I don't know why you're here. You can all hang out with him. The real OG, man. Face crushing it. Awesome. Love it. Love seeing him win. Great human. Face long on hype, yeah. Makes sense. Nvidia trying to pump. Internet be wanking, yeah. Crypto Billy, how you doing? See, big, I love you, bro. I miss you, man. Oil's dropping, yeah. That's good. All right. Tesla, man. Tesla, Google, yeah. Good times, man. Dusty, good to see you. You can put me on your screen if you need to. Oh, baby. You got that baseball swag. Rich, good to see you, man. Just stopping by to say hi before I leave. Have a wonderful day, man. JR Prince. Good morning, JR. How you doing, bro? God bless you. JR streams before me. You guys can go follow JR as well. JR Printing. Is that just your... That's not your YouTube channel. Use some ninja thingy, my bobber. I don't know. The mods can share your YouTube if they have it. I don't know what it is, bro. It's like Ninja Gang or something like that. He's a ninja, man. He identifies as ninja. Right? Soy boy Lana pushing, baby. Let's go. Damn, I should have long soy Lana this morning, man. Look at that. Bitcoin dominance dropping. Look at this, guys. We got a little bit of a drop on dominance. This means the alts are gonna go. If Bitcoin goes, the alts are gonna go. We can see a lot of the alts going though. We got like, the AI tokens are going for a little run. Render, FET, Tau. We've got beautiful, Atom's even moving. Near's been going parabolic. Near's on some next level. Virtual's up today. Ooh-wee. It's a trap. In my opinion, it's a trap. How about that new Ferrari, guys? If someone gifted you the new Ferrari, would you drive it? What do you guys think? Oh, what do you guys think, man? Ferrari? I don't know, man. That's pretty ugly, man. What do you guys think? Would you drive it? Put a 1 in the chat if you drive it. Put a 2 in the chat if you would sell it. Sell it and buy land. Oh. My Tesla drives me everywhere. I would, I don't know, man. I'm trying, you know what I'm going to buy is, I'm going to buy a V8 Raptor R. That's what I want. I want a Raptor R. That's what I want. I want a Raptor R, blue. That's it, man. I want it blue because my grandfather had an F-150 V8 Triton back in the day. That was his baby. I want a big up gas guzzling Raptor R. Get out of my way. That's what I want right here. This is what I want. I'm not gonna get the V6 EcoBoost. I want the V8. What do you guys think? Is that crazy? Smiles per gallon, exactly. Drop a gear and whatever. Horrible color. Bad design. I don't think so, man. It's the most selling truck in the world, bro. I don't know where you're getting your information, Ali. Oh, man. I don't know where you're getting the most popular truck in the world is the F-150, man. GMC Sierra Denali, yeah, but they got issues, man. That's the problem. Did you guys see the new Rumblebee by Dodge? You guys see the new Rumblebee by Dodge coming out, guys? That's not fair. They fighting now. Did you guys see the new Rumblebee? It's a V8 Hemi SRT. There's 3 of them. Have you seen it? I can show you Rumblebee Dodge. Guys, this thing is fucking sick, man.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Yuri.
And this is the 470 horsepower. I'll show you guys at 6'1.5". I have not been this excited.
Look at this fucking thing, man. The Rumblebee, bro.
We're not going to have the cool bumper at the bottom at the front unless you get the
Track Pack. These guys.
700 horsepower. What? The Rumblebee? You guys see this? I like the gray one, man. Even though it's only 450 horses, but look at this thing, man. Wild. There you go, David Brumbelow. Let's see the Brumbelows in there. There will be signs. Yeah, man. Ford has those little gay steps for the tailgates and those gay makeup boxes inside the walls. Chevy. I mean, the thing looks like a beast. All it needs is some flames. I'm kidding. Whoever thought the only thing that flames on a car belongs on is a Pontiac Firebird, man. That's it. That's it. Feel the sting. The Hemi is back, it says. Where's this Rumblebee, man? That's crazy. Rotation down right now? I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I'd prefer a Supra. But who knows, guys? Who knows? I'm probably just going to get a beater. Let's be honest. Save my money and put it into the stock market. Use my profits to buy whatever the heck I want. My dream car has always been a Ferrari 430, though. Since I was a kid, I had a Ferrari 430 Scuderia on my wall. A big poster since I was a kid. It's always been my car. I like the F8, though. The F8. But now they're coming out with some gay electric car. I don't know about that, but I would get the F8. If I was to get my supercar, it would be an F8. I would get an F8. Then I would get an MK4. This would be my car order. F8, MK4. I get a 1970 SS Chevelle. Blacked out. Then I get a 1984 El Camino. Blacked out. I almost bought one of these. Caca Brown. I almost bought this. It looked exactly like this one right here. Exactly like this. Caca Brown, man. I almost bought one like this in my 20s. Caca Brown, El Camino. I mean, obviously I wanted... Guys, man. 84. What a year. Look how boxy and sexy this thing is, man. Oh, baby. Put my tools in the back, man. Bum, 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 bum. Right? That's kind of my list. Those four kind of, yeah, those are the four cars I would, if I had fuck you money, that's where I would go. What do you guys think? The list is pretty dope, right? You got the tuner, you got the supercar, you got the muscle car. All right? I love the El Camino, yeah. 67 Mustang, yeah, 500E, that's sick, yeah. Why does your draw and voice sound like you transitioned to Face's tone after you talked about him? I don't. Testarossa? Can you look at hype levels? Yeah, of course. So up we go. Up we go. So you're coming into resistance here, Mike. Nice push. Liquidity, volume, and price discovery, right? So major resistance here. 62.60. Major resistance. Yeah, so resistance in here for hype. Pullback continuation. Great push. We played the song and look what happened. We gave the coffee long. Needs to hold 61.5. All right, that's your levels there. So you're looking to push to 62.6. Wanting to hold 61.5. Look for pullbacks are for buying in here. Continuation. That's your continuation longs in here. For hype. Your major resistance is up here. Acceptance above here means you go to all-time highs. If you flip 62.6, all-time highs. That's what you're looking at, Mike. Hopefully that helps you. Bitcoin chopping. Solana chopping. We got 16 minutes to market open. 310 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. 133 likes. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. God bless you guys. Face has that power. Yeah, magical. The Chevelle, yeah. Love the Chevelle, man. El Camino, too. 79 poop yellow Thunderbird. Let's go. That's sick, Curtis Hill. My grandfather loved the T-Bird. 57, man. Angie Geronimo, good morning. Good to see you. Trade for Raptor. Yeah. 74 Roadrunner. That's sick, man. That's sick. The Hemi-Cuda. A bit big, but gorgeous. We love you, Alex. Thank you for always being here early in the morning. I appreciate that, real Joey. It's been a little bit weird lately. I've been like slightly unmotivated because I'm so busy with the house. But words like that, words, those things mean a lot to me, bro. So thank you for the kind words. My superpower is I show up every day. Doesn't mean I'm necessarily feeling the greatest. Had a losing day yesterday. We're up a little bit today, but thank you for the kind words, man. I appreciate it. As gay as I can be, okay? Almost as gay as that new Ferrari. We're here, man. Never been a big car guy. I'd rather have gadgets. Okay, Inspector Gadget. What is your go-to gadget there? Go gadget. I don't know. I don't want. I also want a KTM, man. I want a bike, like yeah. Like where I live, I really want to get an Enduro. I don't think my wife will let me though. Like in the mountains here. You see the new KTM Enduro? Oh, bro. No, I can't. 4-stroke or 2-stroke? How do you guys roll? Do you guys roll 4 strokes or 2 strokes? My God. I think a 4-stroke would just put me on my fucking ass. You'd have to get yeah. I mean, you got to go with the 500, right? I mean, I'd be okay with the 350, but you got to get the 400. The 450, sorry, or the 500. Guys, stop. You guys are distracting me this morning, man. My son has the 452 4-stroke. Let's go. Fucking. My cousin races. He races not professionally. He's like in B class or C class or something like that. I can smell the 2 strokes from here. 4-stroke easy. 2-stroke will put me on my ass. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. 2-stroke would be fun. KLX? Yeah. I mean, it's KTM or Honda. I don't know. Does Honda still make a good bike? I mean, my 125 was my baby back in the day. I also had a Honda Shadow motorcycle. 350 is heaps for a Hobbit? Come on, Rob. I can't let my son buy a bike eventually and just drop a gear and disappear on me. Cowies are good too, yeah. I like a Cowie. Coming back for VWAP right now. 10 minutes till market opens. If we were talking about the pink box, Dave, we talk about you getting a half stroke in maybe. I don't even know if you get your pants off, Dave. Let alone a stroke. We would never go electric, Mama Bull. I'm just too much of a diesel head. Remember, I live in the Texas of Canada. We like oil. Talk about stroking. This is a family. We clicked the button that says that this channel is for you must be 18 or older. If you're young in here, congratulations, you're in the right place. Hopefully we can help your new generation. You know, anybody born this year going forward is not an alpha generation. They're now a beta. So they're master betas. Oh man. Born in the year I'm generation beta. Imagine. Tosser. Like naturally, you're just known as a beta. VWAP slap, but we got 10 minutes till market open, guys, and this looks bearish. We didn't even come back in order block slap. Well, Gen Alpha's 2000 to 2025, right? Generation names. What do we have here? We got all the rich baby boomers. Yeah, you got master betas now. Master betas from 2025 to 2040. Gen Z, man. Gen Z and Gen Alpha, man. I feel for these guys. And like 96, I'd say 90, 93, 94 would be the cutoff for me. Like, if you're born in 96, you were born with a cell phone. If you're not 94 and under, you had a cell phone in your hand. Right? That's why we don't take the VWAP slap there, guys. Big dump. Yee. That's nasty. Flaccid. Rolling over here, guys. Aggressive move through. VWAP is bearish here. Yee. Big sell-off. Big sell-off. Did he tweet right before market opens? Trump. True Social. No, I don't see anything. I don't see anything on True Social, guys. All I see is the market rolling over. Big sweep. Jeez. Fake dump. I was born with 2 tin cans and a string between them. We did that in school. We had the paper cups, though. The iPhone came out in 07, yeah. I mean, I had a Nokia that I played Snake on, right? When I was like 10. I had a pager, a beeper. Yeah, I had a pager. My mom would give me her pager, Motorola pager, and a quarter whenever I went out on my bike in the city. So she would give me a quarter for the payphone and the pager. So we'd be tearing up the neighborhood, riding our bikes around, and it would go beep, and I'd have to go and find a payphone. Always carried a quarter, so I could call me mom. Get home for dinner. It's too late. What are you doing? Yeah. My mom's work pager's hilarious. So you can call someone who cares. We used to do the payphone pranks. You call the 1-800 sex or something like that, and you get like the gross hotlines, and we'd all sit in the phone booth like 10 years old laughing at these people. Good times, man. Right? You'd use the letters to call these things, and you'd all listen in and start laughing. So funny, man. Anybody else do that, or am I just too funny, man? You never had a pager and you're older than I am? Oh. But I lived downtown Toronto, so like I mean it's like I think you're Memphis, right? Are you like downtown in the city though? I think that's probably why. It's dangerous. Anyways. 5 minutes till market open. Big dump roll over here. Streetlights for sure, yeah. Paging my cunt. Yeah. I got in trouble actually for prank phone calling. I forgot to hit star 67 or whatever, star 69 or 67 to block out the number. And they called my house and they're like, your son's been called. I was an idiot, man. I got caught so bad once. My mom gave me so much shit for prank calling people. We used to put on like we used to get the soundboards, right? We used to get the soundboards on the computer, right? We used to call people.
Ow! You bastards! You are disgusting.
Get to the chopper. Who's your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. Stop whining. I'm a cop, you idiot. Oh, man. Stop whining. Put the cookie down. Shut up. It's not a tumor. Oh, I only paged Dr. Green Thumb. Oh, man. It's Bart Simpson's fault for prank calling Moe's all the time for Seymour Butts and stuff, getting us all excited, right? All right, we got 2 minutes till market open. Weird rollover. Didn't even come back into our order block here. Market selling off a little bit coming into market open. NASDAQ taking the highs, rotation down. Looking for a gap up on the SPY. One VWAP trade today. Nothing big. We'll see where we get to. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Don't forget to smash that like button. We got 330 people here on the live stream. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. All I ask is you say good morning. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. We'll see where we get to. Rotation down. Rotation down, rotation down throughout. NASDAQ looking weak coming into the open here. 1 minute. Wonder where the SPY is going to gap to then. Should be an interesting open. Hyperliquid still doing its thing. Put the cookie down. Oil. Oil's climbing. I mean, oil dropped dramatically, but we got a big gap here. Big gap energy for oil this morning. Here we go, baby. Bitcoin looking to, yeah, roll over still. Roll over, roll over. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Down we go. SPY, gap. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Big gap up. All right, there's our gap up, everybody. Gap up this morning. We'll see where we get to. Pushing. SPY pushing, baby. Can we continue? A little bit of hopium this morning. NASDAQ bouncing. Looking to bounce. Bitcoin flat. Bullish divergence. Trying to get above VWAP. We'll see how it behaves here. Little pushback could lead to a sweep and a dump here. Sweep and dump. Sweep and dump. We'll see. Thank you for being on the live stream, hanging out with me, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Big rollover. Sweep and dump. Yeesh. Bitcoin rolling over as well. Looking weak here, guys. Coming back for some liquidity. We'll see if we sweep these lows as well. Solana. Oof. VWAP for Solana. Bouncing. Retest to previous highs. No trade right now. Still waiting. See if we can get a push up here. SPY holding. Looking strong here. Oh, never mind. Very choppy. Thank you for being on the show. Thank you for smashing the likes. 360 people on the live stream. See where we get to. Bitcoin rolling over here. No trade right now. One quick long this morning for a scalp. We'll see if we can get some support here, if we're going to continue to roll over. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY trying to hold this big gap up. Not looking too hot. NASDAQ rotation down. Solana rotation down. Trying to hold this VWAP for Solana. Bitcoin looking weak right now. Losing support. Continuation down. We'll see where we get to. Okay. Holding here. Patience, patience, patience. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. I should actually keep this open. I don't need to... trying to hold. Trying to hold. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. GG's. GG's on the short. I love seeing you guys win, man. This ain't easy. Trading ain't easy. So if you guys are winning, keep going. Keep going. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Bitcoin dominance is dropping today, so altcoins outperforming Bitcoin a little bit. NASDAQ looking weak. SPY's trying to hold. Consolidation up at the highs here. This looks like it needs to come down, in my opinion. Considering a short at VWAP, if we get it, we could potentially get short here. And come back for all this liquidity down below here. See if Solana wants to hold the retest of previous highs. Was looking here initially, but the way we've come into this area here looks very, very ugly, in my opinion. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Might have to come for the lows. NASDAQ rolling over quite aggressively. SPY, chop at the top. Bitcoin trying to hold on. Bitcoin suggests lower. Still waiting here. No trade. Solana trying to hold VWAP. Yeah. Retest to previous highs. Key level of volume support. VWAP holding. Potential for a bounce. However, SPY looking a little bit weak here. NASDAQ looking pretty ugly. Pretty ugly. Can we roll over, or is Bitcoin going to stay flat? Bitcoin really hasn't moved. It's just sitting here. So we look for a potential pushback into VWAP. Still waiting here. Solana trying to hold and push. Bitcoin dojis, double doji, indecisive, very choppy this morning. NASDAQ clearly coming down. The SPY rolling over as well. Weakness in the market. Rotation down. Solana trying to hold here as well. We could potentially look for the VWAP slap continuation down right here for Bitcoin back into these lows. Oil's coming back for its gap. Nasdaq's rolling over quite aggressively here. Same with the SPY. Trapping shorts a bit. I would like to see a pushback, then a continuation. No trade right now. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 360 people. You guys are cool, man. You guys are cool. Thank you for supporting the channel. Those who are trading in the summer, you know, you guys are real ones, man. You guys are dedicated to the craft, which is cool. Like, it's all fine and dandy to get the influx of, like, crypto wannabe trader people. Like, I love new people coming in, but, you know, in the summer are the real ones, people who are like, it's nice outside, but I'm here to make my money. Like, that, there's a different kind of vibe with the summer people. You know, they're either like day one people who've been trading with me for a long time. God bless you guys. I appreciate you guys. Or they're like people who want to learn, even though, you know, they could be at the beach checking out the ladies, right? Or whatever, right? So it's kind of cool it's all about perspective, right? You can be like, oh, the views are down, the people aren't around, they're all outside. And that's cool. But, you know, if you look at it the way I just explained, it's pretty cool to have people who are hungry, right? We're all hungry. We all want to feast. And there's a way out of your 9 to 5 here. There's a way out if you want to dedicate yourself to the craft. So we're happy you're here. And I'm happy you're supporting the channel. Keep grinding, man. Keep grinding. This ain't easy, but it is worth it. I promise you that. Took me a while to figure it out. Probably 8 months, 9 months till I started being profitable. You got to get to a point where you're willing to change some of your bad habits with trading. Me, I would spiral. So I would win, and then I'd have a very bad day. A very bad day. And I'd be at ground zero again. That was my problem. I didn't know. I knew how to win, but I didn't know how to keep my money initially. A lot of people, you know, or some people are greedy. They hold their trades too long and round trip. Like, there's a whole plethora of stuff that kind of adds to the fire of losing or not being profitable or not being successful here. Getting a little pushback here for NASDAQ coming back up, retesting here. Coming into VWAP here, potential slap and go. Not really taking anything significant here, so expectational order flow is still down. Patience, in my opinion. Longs, oils is trash, very short. Good job. Me too, man, naturally. Waiting. What's going on, Andy? Good to see you. Jezza, how you doing, guys? Aaron, good morning. Analyze link. We typically don't do altcoins here. We trade live, take trades, show the trades. Scalping Bitcoin and Solana daily. I do some altcoins when there's nothing available, but it is market open, so this is where we're trying to feast, my friend. Thank you for being here. Nice little pushback here for Bitcoin. See how it behaves here in VWAP. Downtrending momentum in our face. Let's see if we're gonna get going here. Right now, a little bit of patience. No trade. Solana pushback. Continuation down. Retest to previous lows. Looking for resistance to come in at 85. Bitcoin coming into VWAP. Looking for resistance to come in there. 76,900. We'll see if it does want to hit that or if it just wants to roll over. NASDAQ, potential V-shaped recovery after coming down and wrecking all these late longs and here, all this liquidity. So potential for a pushback on NASDAQ. No signs yet. It's trying to go, though. You can see it's trying to go, but need to see a little bit more information here before we even think about longing anything. Solana trying to push back here. Decent. Choppy, guys. Okay. No real... Not a heck of a lot of movement this morning. I mean, nice rollover. 0.5%. VWAP, good trade this morning. We're not getting the same kind of volatility, right, with the volume here. We can see that clearly. Volume coming in last night, a little spike down, rotation down, rotation down. So it appears that sellers are in control volume-wise. Still no trade here. We took a trade this morning off of VWAP, but still waiting here. We go live trading in the Discord right after the stream today. We do have a sale on our Discord as well for the summer. $20 off your first month. Come and try it out. AlexOCrypto.com. Use the code vanilla, because that's everybody's favorite ice cream is vanilla. You can use that, or don't. That's fine. The Discord is absolute fire, though. I mean, I would spend Okay, if I was someone, I would spend the money, the $68 or whatever, and join the Discord. I'd watch all the videos. At minimum, I'd watch all the videos. That's what I would do. You got over 150 videos, setups, strategies, you name it, man. That's the minimum thing I would do for my education. All right, nice push here. Solana pushing. Continuation. NASDAQ, V-shaped recovery. Bitcoin into VWAP, not interested, unfortunately. I would long here, but I'm not longing into VWAP. Solana looks strong, coming into resistance right now. The coffee slurps, man. It's all about the coffee slurps. Hype broke my level. Good. That means we're flipping. We're flipping, my friend, if it broke through. Yeah, man. Can it hold? That's key. Can it hold? Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bullish. Solana pushing up quite nicely here. VWAP hold. NASDAQ V-shaped recovery. SPY climbing. Okay, bullish. Coming into VWAP for a slap here. 3 white soldiers, continuation for Solana. Failing to push through VWAP here. Still got a minute and a half left on this candle. See if it can follow through. NASDAQ looks strong. SPY looks strong here, guys. So got that on your side. Hyperliquid flying. Very nice. Weakness here on Bitcoin. Interesting. Nice pushback, but quite an aggressive sweep here. NASDAQ continuing to climb, however, retracing right now. SPY looking strong as well. Might consider a long here, depending. Bitcoin's got to get through here. Bitcoin's got to push. Solana looks strong. NASDAQ looks strong. SPY looks strong. Hype looks great. Bitcoin looks absolutely shite, mate. 3 seconds on the candle. Closing below VWAP. Here's our orb. Open range breakout established here. Good push here. No trade, still waiting. Into resistance here. VWAP, downtrending momentum orb. So need to see a flip. I would prefer this to escape and then retest. Then we get long. No trade right now. NASDAQ flying. NASDAQ doesn't care. S&P coming into major resistance at 7,500. That is 7,500. Nice push for Bitcoin here. NASDAQ flying. Solana trying to go. Sheesh. Hyperliquid flying. One's in the chat if you're long. Let's go, baby. Hype rocket ship, yeah. Right now we're considering longs, but we're not entered yet. One's in the chat for longs. GG's, guys. I'm still on hands. I'm a handyman right now. NASDAQ looks great. SPY looks good too. Hype is flying. Hoo-wee. Bye, Hype. See you later. Look at that. Looking to go to all-time highs. Bitcoin, aggressive move through VWAP and orb. And downwards trend line is bullish. Nice push here. Can it hold? 30 seconds on this candle. Hanging man engulfing candle so far. Looking good. Trying to hold here. $15 seconds on this candle. Looking strong right now. Standard deviation 1 holding that low, eh? That's good. Nice candle here for Bitcoin. 3 seconds. That's a very nice candle here. Looking for a potential wick test continuation trade now. NASDAQ pullback, retest to previous highs. Looking in here. Mitigation of the high coming in for Solana. Sweep of the high. Beautiful push. Beautiful push coming into that order block here for Bitcoin. Trying to change structure here. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Big push this morning. Holy smokes. Look at the NASDAQ and the SPY. Flying. Bitcoin flying. Wow. Nice push. Nice push. Continuation. Continuation. Through the order block here. Coming into our golden pocket area. Golden pocket 786. Local. See how it behaves here. NASDAQ doesn't care. All-time highs coming for it. SPY, all-time highs, pushing. Bitcoin pushing. Damn, Daniel. Some green-ass candles. Late to the party today, guys. Big push here for Biddy. Buyers stepping up. You guys know something I don't know? What's going on with this big-ass push, man? Pump it, baby. ETH going for it. ETH going for what? A breakout? I like that. Jeez. Look at this thing go. Flying, man. Flying. Retest to previous highs. Continuation trade here. Soy Boy Lana flying. Bitcoin flying. ETH flying. Damn, Daniel. 370 people here on the live stream taking the trades, showing the trades. You guys are incredible. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Into resistance for Solana. Continuation up here. NASDAQ retracing down here. Here we go. Pull back. Pull back on the NASDAQ. Solana coming back into our box. Potential long here. Potential long continuation trade on Soy Boy Lana. Bitcoin coming back. Solana coming back. Considering a long in here for Solana. Orb retest, continuation trade. Have to be like a quarter position size. I don't think we're going to get giga long here. NASDAQ's got a bounce. Bouncing. SPY rolling over here. Bitcoin rolling over here. Okay, 786 tap. Retest back in. Continuation. Solana coming into the support level here. Hyperliquid. Trying to hold that level as well. Bitcoin holding here. Considering a long Solana here. Let's give it a whirl, I think. Here, 1 second. Get up to here. It would look something like this, wouldn't it? Like a 1-to-1. Yeah, let's go. Long. Can we get follow through here? NASDAQ's got to continue. ETH's got to continue. Solana trying to continue here. Bitcoin rolling here. Still waiting. Bitcoin rolling. Might need to come back and retest orb here. NASDAQ's not holding right now. ETH trying to go as well? Yeah, ETH is trying to go. Solana's trying to go as well. Bitcoin's got to push here. Still no trade. Still waiting. Considering a long, though. Nice push this morning. Hyperliquid. Got to hold this as support here at 62. Looking for like a slap down and go on Bitcoin here. And then I like Solana here. More like that, yeah. Up to the red. Let me get off of ETH right now. Still waiting here, guys. Yeah, up into this high. If this can follow through here. Solana looks like it's pushing now. Bitcoin. $40 seconds on this candle. Can this engulf? Mm-hmm. 20 seconds on this candle. NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ bounce. NASDAQ bounce. SPY. Trying to bounce as well. Okay, double bounce on SPY. Hype bouncing. Bitcoin trying to close above this here. All right, let's do it. Yep, we're long. Push. Gotta go. Just looking for continuation trade here. Can you film me, please? What is that? Don't be gay. Push. I'm going to bring that break even. Really? What is that, guys? That's pretty lame. Can we get going or no? No. No follow through here. Come on. Biddy's pushing. Okay, TP1 hit. Looking for a runner, guys. Let's see if we run. Gotta go, Solana. Looking to come to these highs here. Can we get going? Push you, Nambe Pambe. Come on, man. We be top blasting today.
Yeah.
Bitcoin rolling over. Gonna get stopped out here. Look to re-enter.
Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the
On to the next one.
Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah,
NASDAQ still going.
For the retest, so the golden pocket tap. I just mark it on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers and before the big drop. Top blasting.
Good exit. Slap and go down into.
Top blasting the high straight to trading hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair every year, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim.
Let's go.
Action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche-canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a
Good morning, Dynamite.
Slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto.
I'm just looking for the sweep.
When the chips low, stay true to the digital. All the bang, bang, bye.
Hyperliquid flying, baby. Thank you, everybody, for being on the show. 370 people here. Jesus. Don't forget to sign up today with the Bitunix link in the pinned in the comments, guys, because tomorrow we do $1,500 giveaway, $1,500 on Thursday, and $2,000 on Friday. So make sure you support the channel. Go and click the Bitunix link and register and deposit. You'll get tickets, and we'll do the raffle tomorrow. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. 2 trades. Yeah, not really following through the way I wanted it to. We'll see what else we get. Big old FOMO pump right now. Just looking for follow through right now. A little bit of patience required, I guess. Looking for orb retest continuation on Solana. Looking for that on Bitcoin as well. Breaking the high here, so looking for retest continuation potentially. We'll see if we get it. Market looks good though. NASDAQ looks good. SPY looks good. Trying to push out Hyperliquid flying. Virtual flying. WLD up 19%. Holy shit. That's wild. Literally. Balloon donkey here. Looking for continuation. No. Just trapping longs right now, right? Trapping longs. Let's remain patient. Let's wait for the sweep. I want to see the sweep, guys. That's what I want. You guys know me. Sweep and go. Sweep and go, and then send it to Valhalla, man. Still waiting here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Good fun, man. Sol needs to push. I don't think it's ready yet, man. I don't think it's ready. I think Bitcoin needs to come back down into this area. We're going to go trade live in the Discord right after this. Two in the chat if you're short. One in the chat if you're long. Yeah, you guys can let me know. I love seeing you guys win, man. If you're up today, man, great work. Didn't really like the level for Bitcoin. Solana did VWAP slap. I did have the buy level here for Solana. Maybe I should have executed. Didn't. That's fine. Let it go. On to the next one. Was looking for like a pump continuation. We didn't get that. So now I just try to remain patient. Look for support to come in here. Look for Bitcoin to come down and sweep and go. Maybe we can grab some Solana for some extra, little extra, you know. We shall see. NASDAQ looking strong. S&P looking strong. Jeez. Hyperliquid consolidation, continuation, man. Patience here, guys. Looks like a damn seahorse, man. Horsey, whatever. What's that? What's that? Is it Horsey? The Pokemon? Pokemon, man. Man, Pokemon, what a trip. I still know the Poke Raps, man, from when I was a kid. Charmeleon, Warturtle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Omanite, Slowbro, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks. That's the only one I remember, but the Poke Raps. Put a 1 in the chat if you remember the Poke Raps after every episode, man. Let's go. Poke Raps for the win. Good times, man. Let's go. Did I just nail that or what? Right? Let's go. Digimon, digital monsters, Digimon are the champions. That Where Garurumon was gangster, man. Where Garurumon? Watch some Dragon Ball Z, Digimon, Pokemon. You gotta wait for what was that shitty show before Pokemon that you had to wait for? Anyways, good times, man. Hype is poker rap. Okay, good shit. Where Wargarurumon. Yeah. Yu-Gi-Oh was sick too. We used to play Yu-Gi-Oh a lot. Yeah, Sailor Moon, yeah. It just got us all into like that was just prepping us for all these AI bots that are coming on. We're all just gonna get Sailor Moon bots doing our dishes and shit. Oh, little man's crying. Little man's crying. I swear my wife doesn't abuse him. We take good care of our child, but he is crying. Oh, man. I think he's growth spurting, man. I can't relate, man. I never went through a growth spurt. Nasdaq holding the highs here, trying to push. Damn. Now we've taken the low here, but Solana thinks it's good. Solana likes it. Go be free, Solana. You have every right to go be free. Ethereum likes it too. Up we go. Up we go. Bitcoin, you gonna go? Send it, bro. Send it. Hype is going. SPY's going. Nasdaq's going. Solana's turn. Bitcoin gonna go? Nah, not ready. Push Bitcoin, you nambe pambe. Let's go. Send it. Rejected. Rejected, guys. Did you guys get the FOMO or what? Have I done a good job of giving you FOMO? I'm doing something, right? We're up today. We're going to go live in the Discord after this. That's enough out of me today. It's been a wonderful stream, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15-ish. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Ready to go. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang.